Hi, so this tutorial I'm going to show you how to edit the continue watching option on the Disney Plus. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually opened your browser, just go here to the URL section and type disneyplus.com and hit the enter button. That will actually take you into this page if you are logged in into your account already. But if it's your first time and you don't have an account, they will take you into another page to create your account from by just click it if you click that sign in. Of course, you will need to provide them with your email address and phone number and verify them both if you want to create your account. If you already have an account, you just want to log in into it, you can just log in with your phone number. And of course, when you do that, you will find this as your home or as your main screen. And of course, if you want to start watching, you will need first of all to subscribe into this platform. So once you did that, you'll be able to watch every movie or every series they have here. So as you can see here, you will find a lot. And of course, if you didn't find what you like, you can just go here to the search bar, as you can see right here on the left, and click on it, and then search for what you want right here. So of course you'll find, as you can say, click X on something that was like the search history. Of course you'll find it there if you want to search for something that you already searched on. Of course, if you want to go to the home page, then go and click at the home here and you will be here. So of course, if you want to edit continue watching, as you can see, if you scroll down, I'll find my continue watching here, and I can actually okay, I start watching this, I can click at X and edit it. Of course you have another choice. You can just go to your space right here and you'll find continue watching here as well. Of course you can edit it, like remove something from continue watching, and of course you can undo it to get it back if you like regret it or click X by mistake. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.